Forno ACQUA. Freedom to perform, beauty to inspire. Designed to excel. MultiSINKs, where beauty and performance meet. Multi-level sliding sink, always where you need it. Combine the double-sided chopping board, your sliding sink, and colander. It's all magic. Prep together, create together. 5mm rounded corners for easy cleaning. Your chopping board, and when you are done with it, a smart spot out of the way. Stainless steel roll-up grids designed to adapt to your workflow. Flat and stable. No tipping, no interference. Handcrafted and expansive pure workspace. Designed to drain beautifully. It's not just a sink. It's where prep becomes performance. Where hosting becomes celebration. Forno ACQUA. Freedom to perform, beauty to inspire. Designed to excel.